I just have to practice a little bit of what I read in school, and this is it right here. It's not easy doing this thing. It's not easy at all because it's time demanding. You have to always.
Hello, welcome to Celebrity Talk Show. As always, if this is your first time on this wonderful channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Nollywood sweetheart Sonia Uche has revealed what she does sometimes with her time if she is not filming. The beautiful actress unveiled her poultry farm. Remember that Sonia Uche graduated from Michael Okpara University of Agriculture, Umudike in Abia State, where she studied agricultural economics.
I just have to practice a little bit of what I read in school, and this is it right here. It's not easy doing this thing. It's not easy at all because it's time demanding. You have to always be. Hi people, my name is Sonia Uche, and this is my little farm. Yes, my little farm that I believe with time will grow into a big farm by God's grace. And okay, aside acting, I read agricultural economics in school, and I know a little thing, like I practice a little about agriculture, and this is one of them. So basically it's just I love doing it, aside the fact that I love acting, everything. But I just have to practice a little bit of what I read in school, and this is it right here. It's not easy doing this thing. It's not easy at all because it's time demanding. You have to always be there, especially when they are very little. Like okay, the time, like if I bring them when they are a day old, you have to check on them every second, every minute to make sure they are okay, because at that point they are still very fragile. They can easily fall into water, and before you know it, they will just die off. But it's fun doing it, doing as much as, though I'm not always there. My dad's helping me take care of it, so most times just to my dad and my cousin, they actually help me look after it. So I just have to this is what you will do, or what exactly is the issue. Maybe when they are sick, I have to look at their pool. What color is it? Is there the reddish substance in the pool, or is it greenish in color? Because some of them, when they bring them in, like after some weeks, you have to vaccinate against we have Newcastle disease, have Gumboro disease, so try to vaccinate against those diseases. But because if you check, you notice that I was most they are separated. The ones that are very small, most of them, they didn't take the Gumboro vaccine, so that's what is affecting them right now. And sometimes you might not be lucky, especially you get to get runts. Yes, runts. Those are they are very smallish. No matter how long you feed them or anything, they don't just grow as big as the other ones. And sometimes you might just be lucky and you get the very good ones. Nice and cool to do, and I love it. I just come around and see them eating, moving around, and I'm always happy. Still fishes works. It's Let's go on. So maybe with time we'll get to introduce you to some other ones like the fish and then a little bit of crops with time and now with a little capital. So that's just it for now. So I'll see you guys and then I'll tell you more about my beds. Bye.
No, add water to this food now. Water is enough. Sonia, where did you get this food? How did you get it? No, wait now. Now question which she asked me.
I'm not sure.
You were? Now, mama. We dey eat brunch. You dey try attack me. My sister, I bought it on credit.
No vessel. No fish is some kind thing. No for you. What's it worry you? What's it worry you? No fish is some kind things. I just know you say them on. See this elephant there. See those things there. Flower food everywhere. TV there for all. Nobody they watch them. This check one it. Don't do. No say one thing. Check it. So I go pick your body for like 1 month.
Check it.
Waiting.
This curry wey we dey drink now, you don't enter your eye. Because what do you expect for our friends to walk in here and then they see that this whole place is empty? What would they think of us? That we don't have TVs in our rooms?
You see this girl, that your problem is this. Now they don't talk. Now that you see the drink, your accent don't change. Don't they speak American English? One day you go collect credit. Nobody will agree give you. By then, hunger go show you pepper.
I'm so perceived. Yeah, so much. I'm not a job. Okay. Once I get the job, I'll sort out the bills. Okay?
No. We will sort out the bill. It's not just your response. Why they looking like
you go school where they find work. You go school.
It's okay.
This one don't dey dey too much.
I'll show up food tomorrow. This invitation came in timely.
My sister.
So they go do food for you.
Not just food. The most important thing. Her brother just came back from abroad. It's not by corner abroad, pepper abroad. That means he either choose you or me. The only prayer. Hey, wait, you waiting. You how? When? Where?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
No, wait. Sandra, you think you find passing?
What do you mean by that?
You find passing.
I find pass you.
Wait, I take find passing.
I'm not find pass
because
you.
of these long things and this paint we paint your face.
Ma tell you. Now me they tell that kind of thing. Look at this one. Why you want choose person when they wash? They wear only one boxers.
Me they wear only one.
Now only one boxers you
tell you that rubbish.
Now only one blue boxers you
see my boxers.
I'm not touching.
Go down, come again.
I like what you do.
Pick up.
Action.
What do you mean? It's not just one boxers you wear. How will you choose one person? You only wear one boxers.
But why they wash? I go wash up for night. Pizza when we go drag.
Now lie. Now wash away. They do early morning. You go come out and they see.
Stand there, touch my boxers.
I don't carry disease.
No, smell and
I don't carry disease.
No, sister,
I don't carry disease.
You don't drag.
Pick up,
Thirsty girl. So they give her the outline of ketchup. Pick up. Action.
No, sister, you touch my.
No, you go carry disease. You go
dry.
You touch am.
See, your person, the pants where they
vacuum then no be tear pants. Tear pants will be say not tear.
Vivian,
carry fine clothes to cover and see.
I would need you to explain to this girl that what I wear is G-string.
I know
Victoria's Secret. Okay?
Come on.
I wear
I
Victoria's
know
Secret.
G-string now one line they get your owner for middle like this night here.
You for no laugh now. Oh, these people. Pick up. Give her for the middle. Pick up. Action.
Okay, standing by.
Action.
Drop the plate.
No.
He dey in front of you.
Like this.
Pick up. Action.
I think I don't know G-string. G-string now one line they get your owner for middle like that or it's easy.
Why you
And then both for yes.
Nah, Victoria's Secret.
Why you look like artist as I be read?
I don't want to shout over the fact that I bought this Gary. I bought it.
You no buy and you collect our credit. Now last I said no big go pay.
Vivian, how far?
Good.
What is it?